So as we move ahead, just make sure that you're looking at the curvature of the road. As we curve left, stay closer to that left and slow it down a bit, then gas it through. Bam, keep it going. Every time we are approaching those curves, make sure you're slowing it, heading towards the way we curve it, and gassing through. Pick it up, let's get it. Same thing up here, make sure you're looking at which way we're curving and staying towards that curve. See how the Escalade lights come on. Go towards that way, gas through. Same thing, pick it up, because we got to do the same thing up here so it ain't as sharp, so we don't have to slow it. Just make sure we're coasting towards that way and picking it up. Bam. Now we on the freeway. Pick up them speeds. Let's keep it rocking and rolling. How do it feel?
Feels smooth.
Smooth, right? Not too bad.